Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your camera files and separate audio into the media pool. Make sure you can see both. Once both are visible, confirm frame rates and sample rates match or are noted so you understand drift risk. Then select the matching camera clip and external audio clip together in the media pool. This is essential. With both highlighted, right-click. This begins the automatic alignment process that uses waveform information to sync audio precisely. So don't skip selection. With the clips selected, right-click and choose Sync Clips, then by waveform. Resolve analyzes audio peaks to align them. This is why selecting matching takes precedence. If audio is noisy or peaks are sparse, adjust tolerance or use a short slate/click track for clearer alignment. Once you confirm the setting, press OK and let Resolve analyze. It will create a new synced clip or update markers. Make sure to preview a few sync points. This confirms the tool matched transients and not background hum. Drag the new synced clip to the timeline and immediately mute the camera track to confirm the external audio is in lockstep with the picture. Listen to action where mouth or events hit sound. Scrub and make micro nudges with the nudge and slip tools if needed. Once satisfied, consolidate or render using the synced clip. If waveform alignment fails, for example, if noise or no transients exist, use timecode sync as an alternative or manually nudge. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.